What's up guys, Felix the Creator here. In this tutorial I will show you a really simple text fade in and text fade out effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive into the timeline and let's recreate this effect fast. Okay, in the first step we want to create a new sequence. Therefore go to File, New and click on Sequence. Okay, at this step you can use some available presets right here, or you go to the settings, go to the editing mode, scroll to the top and bring it to the custom mode. And here make sure that you use the correct frame size. In our case we want to create a full HD sequence, so this is correct and we have a 16:9 frame size. That's perfect. To create a standard sequence you can ignore the other parts right here, but make sure to name your sequence right here. Let's name it How to Fade Text in Premiere Pro. And hit on OK. Now we want to create our text. There are different ways to create a text. In the old Premiere Pro, you have the opportunity to work with a legacy title. In this case, you can go to File, New, and click on the legacy title. Here you can name your title, OK, and click here in this field and type in your text. You can adjust a few settings right here, and if you close the window, you will find your title here in the project window. Here a quick note, if you drag this bar here, you can zoom in your timeline. And now you will find your text right here. So this is the old way, because in Premiere Pro 2021 you can't use the legacy title. So in this case, let's use the type tool in the toolbar. Click here on this icon, bring your cursor here in the program window and type in, let's say for this example, I'm using my YouTube name, Felix the Creator. Select the whole text to adjust some settings here in the effect controls. So you can click here on the right side and select the whole text. Or you can click anywhere here in the text and hit the Command A on your keyboard to select the whole text. Now let's go here on the effect controls on the left side. And here you can change, as an example, the font. But we will use the Montserrat extra bold. Okay. Here you can change the color of the text, but for this example we are using the white color. And you can align the text in the middle of the middle by clicking here on the transform section, the reset parameter. Okay, note you have to center align the text first, right here. Now, yeah, we have the text in the middle of the middle. And as you can see, Premiere Pro automatically created your text file here in the timeline. Okay, go back to the effect controls, go to the opacity section, and let's use the free draw Bezier tool. Make a rough rectangle. Yeah, you can use the edges here to make it as clean as possible. Okay, something like that. Now bring the cursor here to, let's say, to 1 second. Select the text layer in the timeline. Go to the mask path and set your first keyframe by hit here on this timer icon on the mask path. Now bring the cursor to the very beginning. Select the mask and bring the mask here to the left side. Okay, this is a bit fast. So let's say we bring the second keyframe here to 2 seconds. Okay, but as you can see, this is a really hard cut here and we want a smooth fade on and a smooth fade out at the end. So to receive this cool effect, go to the mask here on the left side and change the mask feather. Bring the mask feather, yeah, that looks nice, to something like this, to, yeah, let's say to 400. And now, as you can see, we have created this smooth fade in effect that looks really cinematic. Now let's make the clip a bit longer by go to the end here and drag it to the right side. Let's say the title stands 2 seconds long here. So bring the cursor to 4 seconds. Add another keyframe by clicking right here on this one. So the title stands here for 2 seconds. Go 2 seconds forward to second 6. Select the mask and bring it here to the right side to create a fade out effect. Awesome. Yeah, I think that's a really simple way to create a cool fade in and a nice fade out effect. And for sure, it's really easy to change the fade position. So let's bring the cursor back to the beginning. Select the first keyframe and bring the mask here to the top. So you will have the fade in direction from the top. It's also a really nice effect. Or for sure, select this keyframe and fade in from the bottom. Yeah, as I said, I think this is a really cool function to create this cinematic effect. And if you are always looking for some cool cinematic fonts, make sure to watch my video where I will show you my 5 favorite free cinematic fonts and how you can work with them properly in Premiere Pro. So check this out and see you soon, Felix the Creator.